Hello guys, I greet you once again and I welcome to ITFATHER Academy. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Today we're going to learn something new. That's how to share files on the network using command line. So today we're going to learn something new, something so new. How to use PowerShell to create folder and share on the network so that everyone can have access to it. So you are going to start using the PowerShell then to create the folder and use the PowerShell to share the file on the network. So let's start. So you first type what the host name for you to know the current computer name. So you might be confused of your computer name and the username used to log on to the machine. So that's why I'm saying you should type what the host name to know the particular machine you are using. Yes, so let's start. You open PowerShell. So PowerShell, you open PowerShell. Then let's see. So let's see whether I can find my computer name. So type what host name, then you hit the enter key. So this is the name of my machine. So there's difference between what the username and the machine. So you see there's the host name and this is the username I used to log on. So this is the name I used to log on and this is the name given to given to the machine. Alright, so secondly, then you assign for IP address with command. So you have to assign for IP address if only you want to access or if only you want to share on the network. You have to assign for IP address, and all the machines have to be on the same network so that everyone can have access to the folder or the file you're about to create. So without wasting much time, so right click on the network icon, then open network and internet settings, then you go to Wi-Fi. Alright, so then you go to change adapter options. Here we have Ethernet and we have Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi is the wireless, that's the wireless, and the Ethernet is whereby you use cable before you can have access to the internet or have access to every communication that two or more device go about it. So alright, so we are going to use the Ethernet. So you right click on the Ethernet and you go to properties. Then you see we have IPv4 here. So you double click on it. Then you see I've already assigned for IP static IP address. So that's 192.168.1.3. Okay, so then you click okay. Then you close this windows. Alright, so then you close this one too. So after assign for IP address, then you're going to create folder. You're going to create folder. So creating folder with command. So creating a folder is not just perform with right click and select new, then that's all. No, you're not going to right click on anywhere, then you go to new, then you select folder, then you go back and rename it. No. So that's why as I was speaking, I said you're going to learn something new. So today is something you're going to learn something new today. So pay attention. Listen to ITFATHER well. Okay, so you're going to it's all about using the PowerShell to create a file and also share on the network. So command line has few commands to create a folder or directory. So let's do it with mkdir, then with the folder name or md-itfather. Yeah, so the md is the command and the itfather is the name given to the folder. So let's try that one now, whether it will work. So let's go with the md then space itfather, then you hit the enter key. So that's it. So that's itfather. Alright, so a folder name itfather has been created. So here's it. So folder name itfather has been created. So type dir or list to see the created folder. So let's type dir or list. So either you type dir or list to see the created folder. So then you hit the enter key. Alright, so this is the folder. So we have in local disk C, we have all this local disk C. So this was ITFATHER. This was you just created. Here's it, your ITFATHER. That's it. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so now then you move to, so let's what directory with what command line. So the ls command is not working on command prompt. That's why we are using what the dir. So you are going to share a folder with what command. So you need to type what net share network files. Net share network files. So these are the commands. So then you say what grant everyone. The full means what you are giving what the full permission to that particular folder. So anyone can change, edit, copy, paste, delete, any changes, anything. Yeah, and go there. So let's continue with our PowerShell here. So let's paste it here. So let's share network files, ITFATHER, then grant everyone full. Alright, so done. Okay, oh, bravo, you have done well. Alright, so let's continue. So share files using command line with PowerShell. Okay, so then that the network files is the share name of what ITFATHER, which previously created with what command, and grant everyone full assign shared permission to everyone's group. So you can assign what change or read permissions. So note, when you assign permission, you must specify the group name or a username. Okay, so you need to type what net share to see the result. So let's type what net share to see the results here. So let's share, is that correct? Let's share, then you hit the enter key. Alright, so the command completed successfully. We are moving. Alright, so share files. So then you enable what network discovery with what command. So we are going to enable the network discovery with what commands. So we are not moving to Windows Defender, then enable what, no, you are going to do it here. You're going to enable firewall and stuff. So the network discovery, sometimes you need to go to a network icon, you right click and do this, you do that. No, you're not going to use what commands to turn on what the network discovery. The network discovery has to be what on, otherwise anything on the network cannot be what accessed. Alright, so then you have to enable what network discovery. So you copy what the next, so you type what net what adv firewall, then firewall set what rule group, then what network discovery. So this is the command. Alright, so okay, so that's it. Then you hit the enter key. So since network discovery is already on, there's no way you can see it. That's why they say the following command was not found. So my network discovery is already on. So let's check. So let's use the normal procedure and check whether it's on or off. So you go to Wi-Fi, then you go to change advanced sharing options. So you see turn on network discovery, so it's what already on. So my network discovery is what already on. That's why we are receiving this error. Yeah. Okay. So this is all about what creating folder and share on the network. So let's try using the machine name to see whether our work is well done. So the device name is what? Brahima. So you run as what? You run the machine name Brahima. You run the machine name, then you hit the enter key. Okay, so that is what users. So this is the name we've seen over there, the username we've seen. Okay, so let's look for ITFATHER. So this is ITFATHER. So this is the folder we just created. There's nothing inside here. So this is the folder we created. So it's on the network. So anytime you type ITFATHER, then you also see it as what? As a folder on the network. Thank you very much for your time.